roadworks going on.
Tell me about your far vision here. How far can we see?
We can see just up to the bend here.
Yeah.
Lots of traffic, lots of roadworks around us. We've got a sharp right-hand bend here, so we just need to slow ourselves down.
Can you see here?
No, we can't.
Next traffic lights, go ahead.
Sure. It's been green for a hot minute, so we're just going to keep moving.
What do you think about this traffic light? Is this a hazard or is this good for you?
I think it's good, because otherwise we'd have to try and get across this traffic, wouldn't we? I suppose we could chance if we wanted to.
They are here for a reason.
Yeah. I suppose they do mark a hazard though, because they mark the potential for hazard.
Especially for this junction, look at the layout. So we don't know which way the car's coming and going
We
from.
don't.
If we're not stopping, how are we gonna look?
Exactly.
So which way you want to go from today? Left or ahead?
Let's do left. We haven't done left in a
I was
minute, have we?
thinking left as well. Okay, so different way is better.
Definitely.
So how far can you see from here? This is our near area.
Our near area.
Yeah.
I can see cars around me. I can see
Yeah.
a couple of cars behind, but view is restricted.
What about left mirror? Can you see any cyclist?
No, I can't. But there is a
Yeah.
cycle lane.
Yeah.
So, and I can't see anything cutting through traffic on my right either. Oh, yeah, go on. Go through the red.
So next traffic lights turn left.
Sure. Just keeping an eye on that cycle path.
Okay. What do you think about this turn?
That was a good turn, I think.
Yeah.
Followed the lines quite well, nice and smooth.
Okay. If you go faster, where you gonna end up then? when
Other
you
side
turn?
of the road.
Yeah.
You're gonna go out of your lane, become a hazard.
Yeah. So when you turn here, new road is a narrow or open road?
Narrow, I
Yeah.
would say. You've got restrictions on both your left and right. You move down to 20 zone, and you've got a school area around here
Okay.
as well. So very sneaky of them to put the 20 on the uphill bit, but
So is the 20 speed okay for this road? What do you
oh
think?
yeah, definitely. You're around a
Because,
school. You're around a
yeah,
school. It should
it's
be as slow
school
as
area,
possible.
yeah.
Yeah. The risk is, children in the road, so you have to do your utmost to mitigate anything that may happen. If that means driving at 10 miles an hour, it means driving at 10 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Like,
Especially for this
yeah.
uphill road.
What, it takes me a couple of minutes to get somewhere,
It's few minutes here, you're right. In a few minutes we don't want to make.
And now we're in a 30 zone, so we've got to put a little pedal to the middle. In my far distance, I can see parked cars on the side of the road, so I just need to be wary of those,
Yeah.
making sure I'm leaving a good distance between me and those cars.
Yeah. What about middle distance?
Middle distance, again, more parked cars, but I can also see a crossing. the moment it's green, so we're just going to keep on going through with no one trying to cross, so that's okay. But I can also see a van parked very precariously, so we're just going to slow ourselves down.
How far we need to be away from this?
Further than that.
Yeah, good. You can see a lady in the road as
Yes,
well.
we can.
She's
Let her
crossing.
cross.
Yeah.
And she's a little bit older,
Mm-hmm.
but she could even cross.
She can use it. People do this. If there's a crossing, they're gonna cross from the road, not from the crossing.
I'm going to go nice and slow here, just because there's a lot of cars on the side of the road. And we
Is this a meeting situation? What do you think?
It's kind of a meeting situation,
Yeah.
not fully, is it? So we're not having to stop because we can.
Obstruction on our side?
Yeah, obstruction on our side, but we can keep on going as there is
Okay.
room for both sets of cars.
Yeah.
Keeping a good distance.
What about distance?
Distance is okay.
Is this okay?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
definitely